So let's practice. Okay, let's practice momentum. This is from Gold 4 paper. You guys all have this paper with you, by the way. In your folders, it's there. Okay. And regarding Shirin and Suji, you guys were complaining regarding latest paper that they deleted it. Okay, and I have to subscribe and do a lot of things. So it will take some time. Bear with me. If you really want those files personally, either come and take it from me in Flash or just take it from me in WhatsApp. Any one of those. Okay, but I cannot transfer all. Just one by one I can do. Now,
Okay.
two particles A and B are moving on a smooth horizontal plane. The mass of A is 2m and the mass of B is m. So mass of A is 2m and mass of B is m. Okay. The particles are moving along the same straight line but in opposite directions. So they are moving in line but in opposite direction towards each other. As they collide directly, immediately before they collide, the speed of A is 2u. Just before they are colliding, the speed is what? 2u. And speed of B is 3u. Fine. Okay? Now, the magnitude, wait, I'll do that. The magnitude of the impulse received. Now, impulse is same for both of them. Now, this particle A will hit particle B towards the right. So, or impulse ta kon direction hobe? A direction impulse. And by the way, this is negative 3u. Cannot. The speed is in the, we are taking by convention, we are taking right side to be positive and left side to be negative. Tumi chale eta likhte paro. Because now you are going to hit A towards the right and the B is going to hit A towards the left. Negative. Shirin, is this understood? And how much is it? This is minus 7 mu by 2 and this is plus 7 mu by 2. Shirin, impulse labeling parta butso kina bolo.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, excuse me. Okay. Now, the speed of A is immediately after the collision. We need to find speed of A. So we need to take A in our impulse formula. So impulse is equal to, which is negative mv minus u by t. I am assuming that after hitting A will go towards the opposite direction. This is my assumption. That means my V is going to be what? Negative. So V minus U. Impulse koto? Minus 7 mu by 2. Mass koto? M is jagah m lekho. Because 2m, sorry. 2m. What is your V? Final velocity koto? Minus V. Because I just told you. Minus V. And U koto? U hoche 2u. The minus sign to already taken chiloi. Divided by mv u minus t. Time koto? For time done, then oh, impulse is time rate of change of this thing. Yeah, speed of A. Speed of A. Now, can you see m is common? So m gets cancelled. So it becomes minus 7u by 4. Yeah, is equal to minus v minus key 2u. Okay, 2u ta odike niye jao. Koto hobe? Minus 7u plus 2u divided by 4 is equal to minus v. Koto hobe? Minus 5u by 4. Wait, minus v. Minus minus cancel. So 5u by 4 meter per second. What do you want? Direct 4. A 2 ta egane niye asser ki.
No, like minus 2u gonna plus 2u denominator 4.
এটা তো এই 2 টা আছে না এখানে, এটা এর সাথে মাল্টিপ্লাই হচ্ছে না, এখানে আসলে কি হবে? ডিভিশন না, ইকুয়াল টু সাইলের। ক্লিয়ার? Shirin, is this done? How v is 5u by 4?
minus 2u যেটা আছে
এটা এদিকে গেলে প্লাস 2u, কিন্তু এই 2 টা এখানে চলে আসবে না। So what is 2 into 2? 4 না? If you want, you can open the bracket and do it as well. That is completely up to you. Shirin,
check again, there's some mistake.
Shirin,
How can you just take minus 2? That's right. Okay, I got it.
okay.
Where did minus v come from? Minus v, yeah.
Minus v. See, A is going towards the right, but this is before collision. And after collision, I'm assuming that my A will turn its side. The A will turn its direction. That's my assumption. Since my assumption is in opposite direction, my V is also negative. Clear?
Yeah.
So that's why I took my V to be negative, because I assumed the V2, the final velocity, to be on the opposite direction. Butso? No. Butso to me. Shoy Butse. Okay, now they said the speed of the B. Speed of the B also I will do just like before. Hey, edike dekho. Speed of B-
Listen.
Yeah, same.
There is some mistake in our A part calculation.
There is a mistake in the calculation I did.
Yes.
Yeah, what is it?
When the minus 2u goes on the other side,
Huh?
there should be some LCM, right?
There should be an LCM. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're right. You're right. So what she's saying is that when it goes on the other side, there should be an LCM. Correct. So can you guys do this in the calculator? 7 by 4 minus 2. Calculator karo. Minus, sorry, plus 2. Minus 7 by 4 plus 2. 1 by 4. So answer is minus 1 by 4. No, should do 1 by 4. You're saying 1 by 4. So that means my direction is wrong, because my answer is coming negative. So whatever direction I gave here is actually wrong. A did not change its direction. Okay, why? Because based on my assumption, my answer came negative. Butsa? Denominator ki kortam ami? Dekho, eta minus 2 ekhane chole geche, eta plus 2. 7 by 4 plus 2. Minus 7 by 4 plus 2, 1 by 4 pacho tumi. Okay, so 1 by 4 negative hoche, minus. So negative hobar kotha na. So that means the A did not change its direction. Why? Because my assumption is wrong. Okay, let us go with the B now. Amio B te assume korbo, same lager motoni. B te assume korbo je it is going in towards the right. Initially it was negative, velocity was negative initial. Can you see? But the final velocity of B is what? Positive. So I can have V nibo. Same to same like before. Key. My impulse is also positive. Can you see that? So 7 by 2 mu. It was the B part. 7 by 2 mu is equal to m, because m is the mass. Final velocity positive B minus of minus 3u. Butso kina bol?
Yeah.
So Butso, kena minus 3u? Because your u is in the opposite, towards the left. Left takle negative niche amra. Ekhon etake khulo. M and M gets cancelled. So এটা হবে 3.5 m, sorry 3.5 u is equal to v plus 3u. এদিকে চলে আসো. So 3.5 u minus 3 u is equal to কত? v. Yeah, কত? 0.5 u is the v meter per second. Clear? সবাই clear? Online? Online, Mariam, everyone clear? Maria, Shirin,
Yeah.
Suji. Okay, now this guy, what's his name? Hasin was saying third number, which is the one, gold 3, na? Hasin, you want me to do this one? Gold 3, because this is hard one actually. Hasin, please send a message.
Yeah, do this, please.
Do this. Okay, this is last question for today. Okay, now, yeah, this gold 3. Two particles A and B are moving on a smooth horizontal plane. The mass of A is the mass of A is km, and they are moving in smooth horizontal plane. A is km, whereas k is greater than 2 and less than 3. As mass of B is m, as mass, hey bro, my wife is disturbing. Oh, okay. As the mass of the B is m, the particles are moving along the same straight line. Okay, mass of the, okay, but in opposite direction. Just like before, let me just copy paste this. let me just copy paste this, copy clipboard. প্রথমে আমি এই পার্টটা করে ফেলি, তারপর a and b, তারপর c পার্ট দিব, ঠিক আছে? Okay, before, this is just like whatever we did just now. As a result, collision of speed a is half. Now this is something we need to know, and its direction of the motion is reversed. Now this is something we need to know. আমি গোল্ড 3 এর কোশ্চেনটা করতেছি এখন, গোল্ড 3 এর কোশ্চেনটা। Okay, let me start. Hey, এদিকে you have particle A which is mass is km, you have particle B যার mass হচ্ছে শুধু m. Before A speed is what? 2u, and B speed is what? 4u, right? 4u. After the collision, A is halved. Air velocity half হয়ে গেছে. I'm assuming it is moving in opposite direction. So u, air velocity কত জানি না, but this is positive, this is negative. Everybody got this? Find in terms of k and u of the speed of B immediately after the collision. Okay? No, I want gold one question. আচ্ছা পরে দেখা যাবে, কালকে দেখবো এদিকে দেখো। তো আমরা এখন কি করব এখানে, can we do mass into velocity? So mass before, mass into velocity minus mass into velocity equals to mass into velocity, mass into velocity. বুঝছো? Okay, তো এখানে তুমি দেখো m ক্যান্সেল করতে পারবে, কেন? m is common to all of them. So 2ku minus 4u is equal to minus ku plus b. Okay, so bring it on the other side, এটা হয়ে যাবে 3ku, কেন? 2ku plus ku, এটা ওদিকে গেলে প্লাস হয়ে যাবে, minus 4u is equal to b. Clear কি না বলো? Clear? Everyone clear? তুমি বুঝছো? Okay, now let's go to the next question, b part. এরা বলতেছে state whether the direction of the motion B changes as a result of the collision, explaining your answer. Okay, I don't know how to explain this, but I will say yes, it does change. It does change because what? In the assumption, in the calculation, the V is positive. In the calculation, in the formula আমরা কি করছি? V কে positive side এ নিছি, and the answer was also positive. So therefore it changed the direction. And এটাকে প্রপার ভাবে কিভাবে লিখতে হবে, এর জন্য আমি গোল্ড 3 তে যাই, তারপর দেখাবো তোমাদেরকে গোল্ড 3 পেপার। So the way they explained it is like this. দেখো তোমার এখানে ইকুয়েশনটা চেক করো, this is your final velocity V, right? And they said your k is greater than 2. You take any greater than 2 value here, your value will be positive. Let's say 3 into 2 now, 3 into 2.5 now তুমি, for example 3 into 2 now তোমার কি হবে? 6u হবে। 6u minus 4u কত হবে? 2u. That is a positive value, your velocity is positive, so that means its motion has reversed. What was the velocity before? Negative. So the motion was in the opposite direction, it become now positive. বুঝছো শিরিন?
What do you mean?
See, here your velocity is negative, so that means it is going towards the left. And if you give k value more than 2, for example, let's give you 2.5 here, your overall value will be positive. তোমার ভ্যালুটা পজিটিভ হবে ওভারঅল। চেক করে দেখো, 3 into 2.5 minus 4. So if your value is positive, that means it is going towards the right, because according to us, if the value is positive, right, if its value is negative, left. বুঝছো?
Yes.
Okay, chalo then. Hey, now next, given that k is 7/3, find in terms of m and u the magnitude of the impulse. আচ্ছা, প্রথমে আমি v find করি, k কত পাইছে? 7/3. First let me find the v over here. V is equal to final velocity 3 into 7/3 u, 3 cancel. What is the velocity? 7u meter per second. What do they want from me? The impulse. Okay, A exerts on B. to be honest, it doesn't matter whether you are taking A or whether you are taking B. The impulse is always the same. Let me take B's impulse, for example. Let me take B's impulse. It an impulse to positive, that's why I took it. Positive impulse, and active value positive, active value negative. Mass koto? M. Mass koto? M.
Plus 4u, sorry, minus 4u.
Oh, minus 4u আছে এখানে না? So minus 4u কত? 7u minus 4u কত? 3u. Okay. So now, what is your impulse? Let's see. Impulse হচ্ছে mass কত? M. Final velocity কত? 3u. Towards the right. Minus of minus কত? How much is it? 4. Minus of minus 4u. Okay, কত? M into 7u. That is 7 mu Newton second is your impulse. Everyone understood till here or not?
Yeah. Wallpaper maximum I get.
আছে wallpaper নিচে গেলে maximum আছে.
Wallpaper is equal to.
Wait. What is this? Wallpaper, right? What is
paper in this?
huh. Okay. Everyone understood?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll end this thing. তোমরা একটা this thing homework টা কি আজকে যে পেপারটা আছে তোমাদের পেপার না পিকচার পাঠা ওকে প্রথম পিকচার পাঠানি তোমাদের পেপার গুলো যা যা মিস্টেক আছে ডিজিটাল কপি গুলো আমি পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি তোমাদের আব্বু থেকে নিও ওগুলো so you guys have to I'll end the class by the way